Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another day in the jungle. In today's jungle gym activity, we are working on an alternator for the 1960 Impala. And as you can see, it has a little bit of a problem. It has lost the nut that goes to the battery. And yeah, it's not going to be charging if that ain't, hooked up right. So we're going to take it apart and we're going to fix it with a toothpick. Let's go. See what we got to do here. All right, let's get that out of the way. One thing you want to do is you want to put you a little witness mark so you can clock this back the same way. But this should be a relatively easy repair. No different than if we were replacing the brushes and the rectifier and all that kind of good stuff. And then bolts are tight, huh? Alrighty, let's see what we got going on inside this thing. I can hear it rolling around. Come on, baby. There we go. And there she is, right there in my hand. Got the washer that goes on it. Let's see what else falls out. Well, we got one of our brush springs. So let's see what else we got going on in here. This is what it's going to look like on the inside. Right here is where that nut should be to tighten up our battery post. So let's get that back in there and get it tightened up, and then we're going to pull the brushes out and restack them and all. So first I will get this off. Put it back in. Bad thing is the little nut right here has the washer screwed off of it. So let me get that back on there. It'll be fine once I get it tight. I guess somebody in China didn't get it tight enough. Well, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting to start. Well, let's see what the problem is here. Come on, where you at? Alright, I got both brush springs. I think the nut may be damaged. That's exactly what the problem is. So let's see if I can back thread it a little bit and get it to clean up the threads. At least enough so we can get it on there. Yeah, that's all it took. Now I can screw it on and off. Let's try it again. Alright, we got it. Alright, we're back together. You can see I've got the nut back on the battery post coming from the rectifier bridge. So let's take out we're going to take the brushes out next, and I'm going to show you how to load these so that we can put it back together. It's not hard. I'm sure about 99% of you guys watching right now already know about this. And the other 1% probably don't care. But we're going to do it anyway, damn it. This is supposed to be a brand new alternator, according to the customer. And I believe him. I don't think he'd lie about it. It's pretty clean. Still got grease in the rear bearing. And I could probably put this back together without taking these brushes out. There's always that possibility. But I'm going to take it out so I can show you how to do it. Or at least I'm going to try. One way or another, I got to get her back together. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Alright, got the brushes out. You got a spring that goes into each brush. And the brushes look brand new. Look, you can tell that's brand new. Look how square those brushes are. They don't even have any wear on them at all. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to take and push that brush inside that slot. We're going to take this toothpick and we are going to hold, well, it'll look like my toothpick is going to work. Reason why it's not going to work too well, because it's too damn fat. I got too fat of toothpick. Normally the brushes are wore out enough that I can use a toothpick on this. Don't worry, I ain't done yet. Fat man ain't saying yet. Alrighty now. Alright, toothpick ain't working. So we ain't fixing it with a toothpick. Y'all wait right there and let me find something else to pin that with. I know what we're going to pin it with. Paper clip. Paper clip will do the job just fine. So get a paper clip, and instead of the toothpick, we're going to run the paper clip through. So the title of this video is, instead of it being how to fix your alternator with a toothpick, I'm going to have to change it to how to fix your alternator with paper clip. Alright, we got the paper clip in there. See how that went? Now I got to get the regulator back in her. Alright, got the regulator back in there. Now, I'm going to get my brushes. We're going to slide that brush with that paper clip down through there. Get this screw down that hole right there. It's all going down into the rabbit hole. Dun, 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 dun. Sure y'all can't see what I'm doing down in there, but trust me. It's vital to national security. Okay, no it's not. Has nothing to do with national security, Pat.